Hello and welcome to the Friendlien Network. The first thing you need to do is register your app. To do this, you can use Facebook to register, or you can enter in your email address and create a password. We will send you a confirmation letter to your email. Double check your spam folder just in case. You will also need to create a 4-digit PIN and give authorization to access your phone so that you can use one of your photographs as an avatar. Once you've created a username and password, log into the app. To access content, click on Add Content. If you have more than one child, you can add a child by clicking on the avatar in the upper left part of the app. Simply add a child, select a profile photo from your phone, or update an existing profile photo. When you click on Add Content, lessons are broken up into the 5 destinies by clicking on the Sort By button. They are categorized as Self, Peer, Grown-Up, Universe, and Future. At the top of Add Content, we have 4 icons that break up the categories even further. In these categories, we have Lessons, Bedtime Content, Health, and Parents. Under the Parent tab, those videos cannot be shared to your child's playlist. That content is dedicated to parent-only content. To add content to your child's playlist, simply click on any video in the content list and add it to the playlist. Once you've created a playlist, click on Parent Mode so that you can enter into Child Mode. Click on Your Playlist and play the playlist. Each video will play in order, one after the other, until the playlist is exhausted. You can delete the entire playlist by hitting the Delete Playlist button. Click on the star log to create a chore list. Click on Add Task to add a new chore. At this point, you will have to enter in your PIN to enter into Parent Mode. Add a photo from your phone of the chore that you'd like done. Descriptions are necessary, as we like to make sure that children learn how to read while they're doing their chores. And it offers you the ability to be more specific on what you'd like your child to do. Click on Add Task, and it's added to your list. Use the slider bar to give that particular chore a value. If you don't want to use your own photos as icons, Friendliens.club offers chore icons that you can use. Create as many chores as you'd like your child to get done. The next thing you need to do is add a reward. Click on Add Task and then click on Add Reward. You'll be prompted to offer this reward as a surprise or show it in order to incentivize your child. You can select images from your phone or videos. You are in charge of the reward. Click on Add Task and launch the mission. Children can check off their chores as they get them done. To approve their chores, simply click on Approve and hit Done. The icons will turn from a checkbox to a star, filling up the meter. Once the meter is full, click on the star that is flashing, and the child will see the reward that the parents have created for them. There's no need to continuously create new chore lists. Once the chore log has been satisfied, chores will be reset for tomorrow. If you'd like to delete a particular chore, simply swipe to the left in Parent Mode and click on the Delete button. If you need help, click on the gear in the upper right-hand corner. Enter in your email and you can reset your PIN. If you like the Friendlien Network and would like to share this app with other people, there are 3 icons on the bottom that allow you to do this. If you click on the far right link, you can share in a variety of different ways. You can also access Friendliens.club. If you're having technical problems or need help of any kind, feel free to reach out to us, and we will promptly respond and help you.